Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you 5 Android settings which you must turn off immediately. Let's go to your mobile screen. In first setting, go to main setting of your mobile. Click on main setting, then scroll down and go to security option. Click on this option. Now click on first option permissions. Scroll down and go to option of read location info. Click on this option. Here you can see all these apps are using your location each and every time in background. You have to check all these apps and turn these off, or you can change these into prohibit or change on allow. I have checked all these applications and I have prohibit all my important apps. Now go to your second settings, go to main settings, scroll down and click on security option. Click on permissions again. Now scroll down and now this time you have to click on an option of create a VPN connection. Click here. Here you can see that all these apps are using your information. You have to simply prohibit all these because these apps are using your location. In third setting, go to main settings, go to search bar in settings and search here location. When I type here location, click on second option location settings. Click here. Now scroll down and click on apps using GPS in background. All these apps are also using your location and GPS in background, and these apps are using your mobile phone battery fast. You have to turn all these off or you can check. Go to fourth setting, go to main settings and click on Google option. Here you have to click on all services, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Click on usage and diagnostics. Here you can see your usage and diagnostics is on. This use your mobile phone information and battery drain your mobile phone battery fast. In fifth setting, you have to go to Google again. Click on all services, scroll down and click on this ads option. Click on ads. Here you can see at first option reset advertising ID. You have to first reset your advertising ID. Click on confirm. Advertising ID has been reset. Now click on delete advertising ID. Click on this option and delete your mobile phone advertising ID. This will be helpful in your ads. This will restrict your mobile phone ads. Thanks for watching my video.